Hey guys, this is John with 757 Woodworks, and today I'm going to be setting up my Onefinity CNC spoil board with a cat toy. You guys heard me right. I'm going to be setting up my CNC with a cat toy. This $1 laser pointer off of Amazon, to be precise. So let me show you what I'm going to do. Now, as you guys can see, I have my Onefinity CNC behind me. It is a brand new build. I don't currently have the spoil board set up, but I want to fix that today. Now, my particular setup is going to be using T-tracks, but I want these in very particular spots, and I can use the CNC to help me plot those. But big concern of mine is running one of my bits directly into one of the screws that I have adhering my plywood top down. So what I'm going to do is actually mount this laser pointer in the collet, and I'm going to run a test file. Now, to do that, I did 3D print a little adapter, and I'll show you guys that now. I designed a quick 3D print, essentially this guy right here. It's just a 1/4 inch right on the top, has a hole in the bottom, and that just slides right onto the laser pointer just like so. And this is going to let me put it in the CNC. So let's go ahead and do that now. This is going to insert just like any other bit's going to. So you just slide it right on in. And we are going to go ahead and tighten it just so that it doesn't fall out while it's moving around. Now, as you guys saw, if I'd have ran my actual program with my V-bit like I planned to, and not have done this first, I would have smacked a screw head directly head on and probably have wasted a $20 bit. So I'm really glad that I didn't do that. Now, keep in mind, this isn't limited to setting up just a spoil board. You can also use this to make sure you're not hitting a clamp as well. There's probably a couple of other uses I haven't thought of yet. So if you guys know of any other things that you would do with this, comment down below. But this project's a wrap. So if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, all the jazz, and I'll see you guys on the next one.